Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trendy. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up, it looks like someone is making some type of molding. So it looks like she might be making either a candle holder or some type of vase. Oh, it's just like a nice little decorative piece. Okay, she put her keys in that. But you could use this as like a vase, candle holder. There's the candle, see? Several different ways you can play around with that type of project. So then the next one is pretty much an upcycle. So she has like an old bucket here. Some cardboard. Gluing the cardboard around the perimeter. Oh, I feel like if you paint this gold, you would like instantly have like a nice little table holder or table tray. Okay, and then she has a puck light. Oh, she made a shelf. Wow, that's pretty cute. I was not expecting that. I was thinking maybe like a table tray. Okay. So here she is back again. She has some wooden hoops this time. Now the other material, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like maybe, obviously it looks kind of like wooden, but it like moves like paper. So I don't know what kind of material that is, to be honest. Some more wooden pieces. Oh, I wonder if she's making another shelf. Oh, I think she's making a lampshade with a functional lamp. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is really impressive. Oh, that is very cool. Very, very cool. So here we have a donut vase. They're using cardboard for this. Very cool. So don't throw away those Amazon packages. Make yourself a vase instead. So of course she has plaster that she's using. Oh, wow. Very nice piece. That looks so professional. She did an amazing job. Seriously, that looks really professional. Like, I give that an A++. So it looks like we have someone making like a statement wall or something, or maybe like a little like corner nook or something. Oh, wow. That's really nice. I like the color too. I wonder if she made that overhead light the ceiling light. That looks really pretty. So we have some type of mirror vase here. So obviously this involves mirrors. You can grab these from the dollar store. Pieces of wood you might be able to get from like Michael's. But the mirror vases are actually pretty expensive. Like a nice one from Home Goods will run you probably like $30-$40. So making your own would definitely be a good investment. So she does add like some little glitter strips or accents to the side. I feel like that could have been left off, but I do love the overall design aesthetic for this. Very pretty. But yeah, I think I would have liked it more without like the little sparkly accents. And even with the flowers at the top, I would have just preferred the all white. But that's what's nice about making your own projects. Like you can always, you know, do it how you like it. All right, so we have one of my favorite DIYers here. She always does the most amazing DIYs. Okay, so she's making a table with this very cool aesthetic. This piece is also very unique. I feel like you could put succulents in here and have like the succulent table. Have you guys seen those? Those are really pretty. I feel like this particular DIY would be perfect for that. Well, she does put a little plant in there, but the succulents would have been like top notch. I like the design though. That's a cute like side table, especially for outdoors. And then we have some type of paper towel holder. So let me know in the comments below, would you try any of these DIY projects that you saw in today's video? I'm kind of curious to know if you would actually attempt any of these out yourself. So this is like a very complicated paper towel holder. It looks cool, I'm just saying it's a complicated design. Well, alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today and hearing my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.